Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Let's be smart about mowing the filming studio and make use of all this shade. I'm going to go ahead and show you how easy it is to ferro rod ignite some leaves. Leaves are one of the harder mediums to try to ferro rod ignite, but if you'll take and compress them down, which will leave you with larges, mediums, and smalls, and then do like we do the pine needles, sort of form them into a horseshoe, that's your best chance of igniting them. I'm going to form them into a horseshoe shape. And start laying down some sparks. Bayite keychain ferro rod, a 3-pack on Amazon, is $15. And be deliberate about your sparks. Don't just go crazy and start showering it with sparks. I picked this bag of leaves up the other day just before a real bad thunderstorm came through, and I'm glad I did too. This is probably going to be about the last of the leaves for this season because they're getting a little bit too degraded. Now we'll put our wood on top of that. That should be plenty of BTUs to get our fire going. Let's go ahead and rinse out from under the lawnmower with our new Father's Day gift, that Fanio spray nozzle. You always want to turn the carburetor up, which usually means turning up this gas tank. Let's go get some non-ethanol gas. All right, you've seen this part over and over again, so I'll probably fast forward through most of it. We'll sift these ashes out. These are hardwood ashes, so they go in the red bottle. And then the residue that's on the table, we'll go ahead and clean that off and try these ashes out. I want to try to do a double fire roll, rolling 2 fire rolls at the same time. Last time I attempted to show you that, I failed miserably. But we'll go ahead and try it again. I do not mind showing you that failure is a normal part of fire making. So. What do you think? Can we do it? I'm certainly going to try. If you don't see smoke, go back and roll them some more. That wind is blowing right back in your face, so hopefully you can see that smoke coming off of them. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.